Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies starting from 11th till 17th of October. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your reading, do not try to make it yours, okay? And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see what is there for my Geminis from 11th till 17th of October. Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign. Gemini, please. At the back of the deck, we have the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. It looks like you are really in the phase of enjoyment, but enjoyment by yourself. It's more like an independent thing, okay? Either you are wanting this independence or you are really working on the independence, or you are independent. I'm seeing single energies over here because of the things which might have happened. You are enjoying the way you want, you always wanted, okay? We will clarify. In the past, we have 10 of Pentacles in reverse, 7 of Wands in reverse and 6 of Wands. There was a victory. But I do not know whether this was a win-win situation for you or for someone else. It could be a marriage, or it could be a relationship, it could be some finances being lost. But yeah, something was lost which was really close to you. It was, you were happy for some time. It was a very beautiful situation for some time. But after that, you know, when we stop being able to make others feel that how you feel, it becomes really worse. And when you stop taking your stand, not because you want to stop taking, it's because you're not able to take your stand sometimes, and the other person starts winning. You were there, you were like, okay, just keep on winning, I do not care, because I love you, I care for you. Or it's like, okay, fine, these things don't matter with me, okay? So you know what you did, you kept on making the other person win. Okay, your choice, but we will clarify what exactly this is. In the present, we have Knight of Pentacles in reverse, 3 of Cups and King of Wands in reverse. You have a feeling of being happy. Okay, happiness is something which you want. You might be going out right now, you might be traveling with your friends, with your family, with a celebration kind of a thing, like let's go and let's explore, like 1 or 2 day trip also, or going in the morning, coming back in the evening, or a long trip as well. But yes, you are not holding back from all these things. You are not slow. I do not see your slow energies. I see you as you are being socialized. Or if you are not doing that, and if you want independence, you have to socialize, okay? You have to keep on moving and talking, and this is what I'm really getting for you, Gemini. This is really good for you, okay? In the coming future, we have 10 of Wands, the Hermit and Justice. Okay, so might be dealing with Virgo, Libra energies are there. So you are really wanting to dump all the pressure. You know, sometimes we feel like there's a lot of pressure. It could be your work pressure, it could be something. But in the coming week, I'm really getting that you will be getting some pressure from the family, from work, from career or love issue also. But you'll be able to balance it very beautifully, because you know how to balance stuff, because you have been able to analyze a lot of beautiful things, why the things are happening the way they are happening. You are a very beautiful soul. That is what I'm getting today, Geminis, for you. Let me check now. Let me clarify some more energies for you. if there's some other person also involved. Let's see the other person's analysis. Okay, so Nine of Pentacles. Why the Nine of Pentacles is here? We have Ace of Wands in reverse. We have Five of Cups. We have Temperance. Wow. Okay, so I see you are really working on yourself. You are happy. You are the happy soul. But it's like you are able to balance everything around you. It's the other person who is now feeling regrets. There are regrets from the other end. I don't see regrets in your end more. It's like when you have done nothing wrong, then there's no thought even of regret in your head. People might have made things really bad for you, or bad for a situation might have went bad, but at least you are happy. I see for some of you might be able even, you might be doing some gardening or stuff like that, doing something which you really love to do, some artwork or artistry, anything, something. You might be learning some new skills. So yeah, this is more like you, more like a Gemini, which I'm seeing. Tell me more about the Seven of Wands in reverse. The Emperor. Okay, so we have the Emperor, we have the Devil in reverse, we have Two of Cups in reverse and Four of Cups. Okay, so things went really bad in the past. You were dealing with somebody who was very rigid. It can be an Aries or a Taurus, but there was somebody with whom why you were not able to take a stand, because of the other person or because of the other situation in front of you, the opposite party. They were like, a rigid person. You were dealing with a very, very rigid person. It could be a father as well. Somebody who was very rigid, somebody who was like, okay, it's my way or the highway, something like that. And you wanted to get free from that situation, but you couldn't. Okay, you wanted to release this thing. Okay, please set me free. Okay, something like that. You wanted a partnership, but it went bad. A bad partnership between two people. It could be a bad relationship, bad marriage. It could be anything, but there were no acceptance in the other end. It's like the other person was doing wrong and wrong and wrong, but they were not even accepting this, that okay, I am the wrong one, you are saying right. And things were like, okay, let's see. Tell me more about the Six of Wands, Four of Wands, Page of Wands and Queen of Pentacles. Page of Wands in reverse. It was always a happy marriage which you always wanted, a person who could take care of you, of themselves, family as well. But it turned out that they were not even able to take care of themselves as well. So, and things went really, the more effort you were putting, it was like there was nothing coming out of that situation. Okay, let's see in the present energies. Why do we have Three of Cups? Two of Swords in reverse, King of Swords, the Fool, and the Hierophant in reverse. So you have now started doing those things which make you feel happy. As I already told you, you have started taking risks in life. You have, if you were the orthodox kind of a person, or if the people around you were orthodox, you are the opposite one. You are making things like, okay, the main thing is I want to be happy, and if the society does not allow that thing, I do not care. I won't go with the society. Okay, I'm just me. You might be like, you might be doing research in something, might be learning, as I told you, learning new skills, coming out of the confusion mode. You were confused, but since you are working on yourself, you are coming out of some confusion mode. And this is really beautiful because you are, I'm really seeing the happy you, Gemini. It's like it's the happiness within. Okay, so what do we have for future? Tell me more about the Ten of Wands. I'm not gonna take this card. Ten of Wands. We have Six of Swords in reverse, Knight of Wands in reverse, and Ace of Cups in reverse. This is more like an unrequited love to me, more like not moving away from a situation because you do not know how to move away. I feel that this might be not your energy. Somebody who is who was doing wrong to you, because you are the happy one. You are the Nine of Pentacles, Gemini here. You are the one who is able to balance your thoughts, your actions and everything, because you are working on that. It's more like someone else's energy, the person with who might have harmed you, or somebody else's energy who might be trying or who might try to harm you. So somebody who is with lots of guilt and lots of heaviness, they are like draining, and you know, they are just because they are not working on themselves, and that is the reason the things are going slow for them. You might be affected with this kind of a person or with this kind of a situation. It might affect you because it's coming in the future energies and the cards which has come. You might get affected by that, but you will work on that, since the Hermit and is upright is here and the Justice is here. It means that this week people will try to harm you, people will try to show or to throw, you know, bad words at you, bad situations at you, might be testing, somebody might be testing, but you will come out of it because of the positivity you are having inside you. Wow, what a beautiful reading for you, Geminis. I'm happy for you. Okay, so that is all from my side, Geminis. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.